This is a used 2007 Ford Mustang, powered by rear-wheel drive, a 4.6-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include digital audio input, alloy rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, a spoiler, an alarm system, power seats, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats, privacy glass. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, traction control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Sheehy Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 10601 Midlothian Turnpike, Richmond, Virginia 23235.